Hey guys, so I realized that the last video that I filmed, at least that I uploaded, was a haul. It was my Christmas haul, but my birthday is like immediately after Christmas pretty much. It's January 13th, so I don't really have much choice but to like edit and put this out, you know, soon. I did actually film another video since then, but my computer is at capacity and my external hard drive, it's this whole thing. I used to have a MacBook Pro, now I have a MacBook Air, so I have like different cables. I think I threw out the cable that I would need in order to plug it into my MacBook Air, so I had to order a new one. It's not here yet, so I'm not able to store anything on my computer. I've tried to delete so much. Like, I mean, my biggest issue is that I have a whole bunch of videos, a whole bunch of pictures, whatever, you don't need to hear about that, but I have been filming and I just haven't been able to do anything with the footage, which is so frustrating. That's that. So my birthday was January 13th. I was not excited about this birthday. I have turned 26. I am 26 years old. I literally feel like I'm 18. Cricket, 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 like in the background. I literally do. I don't feel like I'm 26, and when I think about being 26, you know how you see those memes and it's like married with children in a house like you thought you would be, and I'm like, yep. Life just, I mean, it smacks you around. It's gonna treat you how it's gonna treat you. I mean, it's good to have goals, but literally thinking that, like, you know, planning ahead and really, it wasn't even a plan. I can't even say that. But just like thinking that you know what your life is gonna be like is just like, nah. And don't get me wrong, you can like take steps towards doing what you wanna do, but I'm just saying, like, you're gonna get thrown a couple curveballs. That's it. I had a party the night of the 12th. It was a lot of fun. I had a lot of people over. And that, I mean, was like enough for me. I just like it when you like actually ask people to like come out and hang out with you and they actually do, because I don't know if like other people have this problem, but it seems like every time I have a birthday or like a social gathering, like everyone says that they're gonna come and then a whole bunch of people don't fucking show up, and it just, like, if you're not gonna come, just say you're not gonna come. This drives me crazy. Anyways, rant over. We need to get into what this video is about. So this is just what I got. It's not in any way bragging. It literally, like, I just like watching videos like this, so why wouldn't I create content like this? Like, it's my favorite kind of things to watch. So anyways, we're gonna start. I'm gonna stop talking about nothing. So the very first two things that I actually got on the 11th, I guess it was. Kyle brought home these for me, which are still alive and well, which is like amazing because today is the 21st, so we're at 10 days. And they're still really beautiful, actually, to be honest. So he brought me home a dozen red roses, which was very sweet of him. And he also brought me home 2 rolls of Instax films, like the Polaroid film, because first of all, they're expensive. And second of all, he knew that I wanted to have some for like my actual birthday party, and they all got used up. Some of them got kind of wasted. Like people like taking pictures of like nothing, but I mean, it is what it is. It's still fun. So Kyle also got me a Dairy Queen ice cream cake. It was like the biggest size of the circle one, whatever that was. I think it might have been 12 inches, 10, I don't know, whatever it was. And then my main gift was actually a new wallet. It's like a strap situation. It came with this on it, but I have been using it like in my purse, so I've taken this off, even though I'll totally use that too. In case you don't know and didn't watch my last video, which I will link here, this side, I don't know, in the eye over here, I got a new jacket, and literally this is the exact same color as my jacket, which is hilarious. So he picked this out, he thought it would match, and that's like hilarious to me. It came, when I saw this, I was like, yes, girl, thank you. So yeah, he got me this wallet. It does fit my iPhone, what do I got? My iPhone Plus, which is really neat. And I have an OtterBox case on it. It's like a slim OtterBox case, and it has just all of these guys, a whole bunch of these. Like I said, it has this on this side. It has 2 zipper pouches, and I believe this is the Adele style. I think that's what it said. So this is what it looks like with the gold all over it and everything. And I'm really appreciative because I wanted a new wallet, even though I love my old Coach wallet. I don't know if I've ever showed it on here, but it's like my favorite wallet. If I could literally just get in again, I would be like set. I don't even know if I've actually looked and seen if they still have the style. I really should. Because this, I mean, even though I really like this, like, I don't know if this replaces that wallet for me. That wallet just has such like a precious place in my heart. So a few of my friends did get me some things, which was really sweet of them. So I made a joke with one of my friends, Lindsay, that, I don't know, I said something about like get me a horse, I want a horse. I think I said something about that it was Christmas. And I was like, oh, it must be a horse or whatever. And anyways, for my birthday, she actually did get me a horse. Isn't this so cute? I like opened it and I had been drinking and I was just like, oh my God! Like, I was just ecstatic, and I literally do love it. Like, it's so stupid cute. Like, I don't know. I think it's from Pure Imports, I think. I asked and she told me, but I mean, I probably wasn't even listening. Then my friend Jess got me a Starbucks gift card. I have already taken it out of the package and I've been using it, and I told her thank you many a times because I definitely enjoy my Starbucks iced teas. Then my cousin Melissa, she walked in with her boyfriend. I don't know what I'm saying. But also with more roses for me. Now, for whatever reason, I've had these ones less time and these ones are actually dying more. But when she got them here, they were beautiful. And I really appreciated that. That was really sweet of her as well. Some of them are looking a little sad, but that's okay because I had my moment with them and it was just really sweet of her. She also brought me a bottle of wine, which I opened immediately and started drinking, even though I was drinking something else, but I mean, you know, logic, I don't know. She also got me another Starbucks gift card, and she literally wrote that, you know, you can enjoy one drink with this, LOL. Because I mean, Starbucks is expensive, it just is. So she got me this, and I haven't actually cracked into this one yet, but I will. And then the last thing she got me, which was so weird because I had been at Winners the day before, and I had never looked at these. And then I was looking at them, I swear to God, the day before. Anyways, she got me a satin pillowcase. It's supposed to be really good for your skin and for your hair. And I mean, I'm always working to make, you know, my skin and my hair look more, I don't know, manageable, cute. So appreciated this. I haven't put it on my pillow yet and I'm so excited to. So thank you to her. And from my parents, I would have got flowers from them. My mom knew that Kyle had already got me flowers, and I mean, it ended up being okay anyways because like Melissa got me some too. So I would have been overrun with flowers, but I would have appreciated them. Anywho, every year they give me flowers. That's why I just like said that. They also had literally gotten home from Jamaica like 14 hours before that. So I'm lucky I even saw my parents on my birthday. So the first thing that they got me was a blanket, and I love blankets, like too much so, like definitely too much so. So this one is a queen size of like one of these really soft blankets. And I knew about this. My mom had like asked me which color I wanted, so I asked for the purple. And it's kind of like textured. I think you can see that. Anyways, it is so soft, so warm, and so huge. It's perfect. Like, look at how big it is. So then my parents just got me like a bunch of random stuff that I can use. So first thing was like, I want to say it's a travel mug, but like it's not. It's just a regular mug, but then it has one of these on the top. So I guess you can use it for like travel. But it's just, it's a mug with a lid. So that is really cute. It says no drama llama. I mean, I have drama, but like 2019, let's try it out. There's also a little matching notebook, but I did start using that and now I don't know where it is. So it literally looked exactly the same as like that print, like the pink llama, but it was a notebook. So next I got this little frame, which this is so cute. This would actually be perfect for a Polaroid. If you can see this, it's a cat, but it's like acrylic. But do you open it? How do you get into this? Oh, it's magnetic. Okay. So yeah, you put a picture in here. It's a little cat, so you'd put a picture of a cat in there. This is actually like a really good gift. I've never seen anything like that, like shaped like that. So that was interesting and different. I just got some like basic hair stuff. I've actually never used these. I'm excited to try these, you know, for a bun where you just like twist it in. Apparently it holds all your hair. We'll see about that. And then a door hanger for purses. I don't know if I would use this for purses. I feel like I would use this for like scarves or something, but nonetheless, if I can use it, then it's helpful and useful. And this is also acrylic. My mom did give me 2 pairs of, or my parents, but like my mom picked them out, got me 2 pairs of socks. But I've already worn one of them. They were like red plaid and they were really cute, but they were really warm. One day I got home from work and I was just like freezing cold. So I grabbed them and put them on. Then I like mentioned something on Christmas about like not getting a DVD or something, just being annoying. Like I wasn't being serious. But I talked about Ocean's 8. I think it was Kyle's sister got Ocean's 8 for Christmas. That's what I said. I said something about her getting it. And I love this movie. Like, I will stand behind this movie forever. This is such a good movie. If you haven't seen this, go watch it now. Ocean's 8 is everything. And if you don't like it, don't come back to me. Don't come back to me, because if we are not on the same wavelength with this, I don't know what to tell you. It was so good. Just like kept me like interested the whole time. The whole time I was just like, yes, yes girl, yes. And Sandra Bullock, like I love to death anyways, but like, and then if you've been here for any time and watched any of my like Christmas hauls or probably birthday haul, I didn't record one last year, just kidding. My mom is like getting me set with the whole Heartland like series. I think I'm actually up to date now because this is the last season that was out. So this is the 11th season of Heartland. It's filmed here in Canada, which is cool. And I've been watching it since the moment it started, and I was reading the books when Lauren Brooks was putting out the book. So I have been like a long-term like fan the whole damn way. All these people like jumping in just recently, I'm like, yeah, whatever. Just kidding, like no hate, but I have been there like the whole time. So she's getting me set up with all the seasons, and like I said, I think I'm up to date now, so we are just like waiting for the next one. I also got a new pair of jammies. So this one has a little polar bear on it, and then the bottoms just look like this. There is like sparkle in this, which is cute, and I like the colors. The color combo is super cute. So then, speaking of my parents going to Jamaica, they brought me back some things. So I'm gonna also show that because I also got it on my birthday. So might as well just show it in this little haul, because why the heck not? I have it sitting by my birthday stuff, so let's do it. So the only thing that I said that I wanted was a t-shirt. I just wanted a t-shirt that said Jamaica since they were going, because I mean, you know, I knew that there would be that. So my mom got me a few more things than that. My dad, I think, actually helped pick out the t-shirt. The rest of it, probably not. I don't know. First thing that they got me was one of these guys, and it's just like a bathing suit cover up. My mom was like very adamant that everyone in Jamaica was wearing these. So, you know, for the next time I go down south, even though I've never gone before, I will have one of these. So I got one of these bad boys. It's just like shapeless, kind of see-through. Like, I mean, it's meant to be worn over a bathing suit. So this was cute. I like the little like gems at the top. Next up is the t-shirt that I requested, and it's very, very soft actually. And it's so weird because I would have never picked this t-shirt out for myself, but I actually really, really like it. It's like an ombre from dark green to white, and obviously green in Jamaica, green, yellow, red is like, you know, very appropriate. So it just says Jamaica since 1962, Superior brand. Then I do collect shot glasses like wherever I go, which hasn't been very many places, but I do collect them as I kind of like go along. So I did get one from Jamaica, but obviously I didn't get it, they got it. But it's just this like cute little car like going down an island in Jamaica. I don't know. And it just says Jamaica One Love. So that is cute. And obviously the colors, again, very appropriate, makes sense. And my mom had got like a whole bunch of earrings, and she got me to pick out a pair. So I picked out these like shell ones. Would you sit correctly? There we go. these guys. I just thought the colors were nice and they just like made sense. There was also a little magnet, but I already put it on my fridge because, you know, hashtag can't wait. Then I got a little pair of socks that just say Jamaica all over them. These bad boys that says Jamaica on it as well. It's like carved on the wood, so that's cute. I feel like if I went somewhere down south, I would totally use something like this, so I could use this when I go on my trip somewhere. Where am I going? Last but not least, they were there for a week. So I don't know if they like got these things every day or what, but from the actual like Sandals Resort, I don't know, again, if it was like in their room or whatever, they brought me home these like full size shit. Like, this is ridiculous. This one is a conditioner. This one is a shampoo, a body wash, and a body lotion. I think these were just from the hotel. Like, my mom did say that the Red Lane Spa was there at the Sandals Resort, so I don't know. But like, look at how big these are. Yeah, so those as well. My brother and sister-in-law did get me a gift, but I showed it in my Christmas haul. It was like my Starbucks cup, and there was also something else that went with that too. So they gave me like an early Christmas present, or an early birthday present, because I would not see them on my birthday, which is sad, but that's okay. And then Kyle's sister was here and she paid for my breakfast the next morning when we went to Cora's, and that was so sweet, and it was really yummy and like obviously well deserved because, you know, we were up a little late the night before that, so that was awesome. It was a great birthday, even though I was not ready to turn another year older, but like, you know, time doesn't wait for anybody, so it is what it is. I just had to celebrate and enjoy myself. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you in my next one. Bye, guys.